Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This should be a sort of a waist pack, and that's what this is. So look at this. It's made of like a nice leathery looking rubber stuff, I guess. It looks like it's pretty waterproof. Yeah, it smells good. It's by Wigo. Let's go. Let's go. And let's try it out here, and I'll show you guys all the different features. It looks like it's got a really nice strong clip. So I'm going to put it on. And let's aim you guys down, and you guys can take a look as I figure it out here. So let's see, up in front we have a couple of little loops here, so we can hook some carabiners on there or whatever. So let's put some things through it. If I have some scissors, I could just leave them hanging there. So that's nice. We have a nice pouch in front, so we can put some things in there, which is good. We've got a hook here, and we have a little zipper section right over here to put something small in on the side. Again, with a couple of hooks. We got hooks all over the place here. You can see there's there, and there, so we can hook a lot of things onto it. And we have this zipper pouch over here that opens up. Oh, I'm caught on the tag. Well, you get the idea. It opens up there, and so you've got that side there, and then another little side zipper pouch here too. So you got lots of different pouches all over the place with these and these and these. Put that there, and then we've got another pouch zipper area up here. I could probably just travel like this with my luggage. And then that one zips up as well. And it looks like even on the back, look at this. There's another zipper pouch on the back. So this would be great for travel. You can stick your passport in there and have that in the back. Have excuse me, different traveling things all around there. So this would be a great little travel pack, or if you're going hiking or something, you could have your water bottle and other things hanging from here. You just have lots of different areas for stuff. I'm sure as you're using it, you'll learn the different areas where you have your different things put, and so you'll just be able to grab and say, oh, I need a little packet of something, or I need my aspirin out of this side, or I need whatever it is. You've got a section for it. So cool little fanny pack for sure. I like this. This is what it all looks like, so it's really cool. So totally thumbs up on this one here. Nice fanny pack.